Good morning, everybody. It's Rod with Power Group. It's Friday, August 5th. Going to get started with today's pre-market live stream here momentarily. We'll give it another 30 seconds or so, and then we'll get started. All right, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday, August 5th, as I said. Going to get started with today's pre-market live stream and morning prep. And if anybody has any ticker requests, make sure to place them inside the private Slack community. So we had a pretty big pullback in the S&P 500 here recently, and that comes after strong jobs report likely to keep the Fed in hiking mode. So not what we wanted to see. Obviously, could potentially keep the economy as strong. They could keep rising interest rates. So we'll keep a close eye on that. But we were pulling back quite a bit pre-market. We're at 409.89. We did have key support there at 406.82. After that, a lack until 389.95. So all about 406.82, having lost yesterday's low. I said that we had a daily inside bar that we needed to be paying attention to and a potential for a multiple daily inside bar. We ended up breaking it bearish. I said key support was going to be the low of yesterday. We lost that, and now we're targeting 406.82. Also, SEC claims they're investigating Binance and every single U.S. crypto exchange, according to Forbes. So we know that they're going to crack down on the on-ramps, right? How can they can't shut down crypto, right? You'd have to shut down the whole internet, but they can tax the hell out of it. They can sue people. They can make people's lives a nightmare. And they're going to go after the crypto exchanges, right? Because essentially these exchanges are taking these fees and this money away from the Wall Street banks, right? And Goldman Gary, who worked for Goldman Sachs for 18 years, who is a puppet for those Wall Street bankers, put in place here for a reason, and that's to protect the Wall Street bankers while they play catch up, right? So just disgusting what they're doing, but pretty much a guarantee that this was going to happen, right? We knew about it for a while now. The writing was on the wall, and as a result, crypto pulling back here, losing the 15-minute uptrend. And if we take a look at the daily time frame, we were starting to bounce here on the daily time frame, but we're back into yesterday's range. So daily bounce was underway, and we had resistance there at 23,645. Failed to get above it, so we'll be watching support here at 22,402. If we lose that, we continue daily consolidation, and we have next support to be watching at 20,709. So like I said, SPY was a daily bull flag confirming, but didn't see much follow through, and straight into daily consolidation, all about 406.82. After that, it's 389.95. But we essentially double topped there at 415.64. We hit 415.68, and I said be very cautious, because if we start daily consolidation here after a double top, that is not what we want to see. And then sure enough, double top straight into daily consolidation, and we could see a little bit more of a pullback. I think, in my opinion, we could go all the way back down to about 404, which would line up with EMA 12 there in terms of the exponential moving averages. If we take a look at the dollar this morning, the dollar is strong, so kind of the opposite, right? Just inverse to assets and stocks and cryptos. So we're bouncing on the daily while SPY is seeing daily consolidation. Consolidation just means we're losing the low of the previous candle, and bouncing just means we're breaking the high of the previous candle. So we're watching key support there at 406.82. Moving on, Tesla announced that they're going to be doing a 3-for-1. And I tuned into some of that annual meeting yesterday. It was pretty cool. Lots of milestones that and achievements that they've reached over the last year. And the company is super poised to just continue to dominate in the future. But starting daily consolidation following SPY, it was a daily bull flag. That was starting to confirm, but didn't see much follow through. So we have support here at 878, and then after that, a lack all the way down to 768. So we'll see. I didn't actually catch if they came out with a date on when they're going to be reporting, but we'll keep an eye on that. If anybody does know, let me know. I had to tune out and go do some stuff with regards to my condo last night. So I didn't stay for the whole thing, but yeah, CGC did a video on CGC. Whoops. And they had a terrible earnings report. Was it 1.7 billion in an impairment loss, $2 billion loss. Stock was down about 7% last time I checked. Now we're down 10%. So daily consolidation, no longer a daily bull flag that we were looking at, having lost the 0.382 fib there at 276 USD. And then next support on CGC is down at 234. So we could still pull back another 10% almost and just be looking for a higher low compared to that support. So we are favoring that type of equilibrium where we have the low, high, higher, low, lower, high, higher, low, and we just tighten up, right? Get rid of some of these lines here. No longer a daily bull flag. So yeah, we'll be watching this potential of an equilibrium where we just find the tightening range getting even tighter, right? So we just come back and we'll see which way this breaks. If we break resistance, we can expect more upside. If we lose support here at 234, then the next support is 213, which is a 52-week low. But if you're looking for canopy growth to lift the sector today, unfortunately, it doesn't look like that's the case. And then I said we weren't set up well either if SPY saw daily consolidation today, which I thought was very, very possible based on that double top and the inability to get follow through. And we knew that we were likely due for consolidation at some point. We didn't really form that much of a higher low here after a pretty big move. Apple down about almost 1.5%. Tesla getting close to 2% now. Just checking in on the chat room, see if there's any updates with regards to news. That's pretty much it. So it's going to be interesting to see how this all plays out with the crypto exchanges. I think we could be due for one more move down in the crypto space and then a massive move after that and enter a new bullish period. But short term, I'm bearish on crypto. Medium, I'm bullish, and long term, I'm bearish. I do think that we could see one more potential massive rally leading into the ETH merge as well. And then at some point toward the end of the year, beginning of 2023, I think that's when we really start to see some negative and some massive downside. All right, going to end it there. QQQ, we'll take a quick peek at that. So down almost 1.5%. So again, starting daily consolidation, supports at 311.84. After that, we're looking at 293.54. All right, going to end it there. Best of luck into the trading day today. And we'll see everybody in the chat room in a few minutes. Talk to you soon.